Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about MessageWhiz Analytics. The Analytics section provides valuable insights into your broadcasts, including delivery rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. To ensure you're reviewing the most relevant data, you can apply filters to refine the displayed information. To access the filters, locate the filter icon between the navigation menu and the data area. Clicking it opens a panel where you can set specific parameters, including the time frame, country, network, and channel. Once you've set your parameters, click Apply Filters to update the displayed data. If you need to reset the filters, simply click Clear All to revert to the default view. The Analytics section of MessageWhiz opens with the Snapshot, which gives you a quick overview of your broadcast activity. At the top, you'll see important metrics. This data includes attempts, delivered messages, delivery rate, click-through rate, number of campaigns, and the total cost. Below these metrics, a daily traffic trend chart visualizes message activity over time, while a recent messages list helps you track individual broadcasts. You can also see data for SMS statistics and two-way messaging. A daily traffic chart and a message log provide further details on two-way messaging interactions, allowing you to analyze engagement trends. Using this data, you can continuously refine your campaigns, optimize messaging strategies, and improve audience engagement. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.